So start the P&L appropriation account. How to prepare here? Write the account title, drop 4 columns and write the debit credit corner, particulars rupees, particulars rupees. So first on the credit side collect the fund. On the credit side collect the fund. I already told you. On the credit side collect the incomes and debit side spend the expenditures. So first collect here through net profit and one more interest on drawings. Only 2 entries are coming on the credit side of P&L appropriation account, that is net profit and interest on drawings. When in the problem they not given the interest on drawings, only you take the net profit. When they given interest on drawings, they also take the interest on drawings on the credit side. So here total profit of the firm is given for the year 2018-19, 24,000 total profit it is, and interest on drawings are they given in the problem. Here interest on drawings, Pramod rupees 1,500 and Pawan rupees 1,000. They given directly, and they also given partners drawings. They also given partners drawings. Pramod rupees 15,000 and Pawan rupees 10,000. When they given both interest on drawings also and partners drawings, you ignore partners drawings. You ignore the partners drawings, only you take interest on drawings. Why they given partners drawings? They given it is for calculation of interest on the drawings. So here in this problem they given directly on the interest on drawings. That's why you should ignore the partners drawings. So here you take partners interest on drawings. Pramod rupees 1,500 and Pawan rupees 1,000. 2,500 total. It is the total fund. Total fund how much here becomes? 24,000 plus 2,500. It is 26,500. Total fund you have now to spend 26,500. Now you spend that income on the debit side. It is first all the expenditures they given here. First one interest on capital, annual salary to Pawan and interest on drawings, it is the income. Only 2 expenditures they given here, that is interest on capital and salary. Whose salary it is? Pawan's salary. So here first you take interest on capital. Interest on capital here. Both partner interest on capital. First one Pramod and Pawan. Pramod and Pawan. Pramod investment is here 80,000. Initial investment is 80,000. Rate of interest is they given at 6%. Rate of interest is 6%. It becomes now 4,800 rupees. 4,800. And Pawan's capital is investment made by the Pawan is rupees 60,000. 6%. It becomes 3,600. 3,600. So here 4,800 and 3,600. Total becomes total interest on capital is 8,400. Pramod also, Pawan also here. So 8,400 it is total interest on capital. Next expenditure is to salary to the Pawan. Only Pawan salary is given here, that is annual salary rupees 5,000. When they mention per month, only you take the 12 months multiplication by that salary. So here annual salary is given, it is rupees 5,000. So now close the accounts. 24,000 plus 2,500, 26,500. Credit side is more here than the debit side, so difference you got on the debit side. So now total, make the total and put the same amount on the both side. Here also 26,500 and here also 26,500. Difference you got here 26,500 minus 8,500 minus 5,000. That becomes 13,100. That is balance carried on. That's also called as a surplus or profit. Profit or surplus. That surplus should be transferred to partner's capital account. So that should be partner's capital account. Partner's capital account. And this profit is firm's profit. Total firm profit. And how much you shared between the partners? So here Pramod and Pawan. Pramod and Pawan. How it should be shared here? 13,100. What is the ratio? 3:2 is there. So 3 divided by 5 and 13,100 into 2 divided by 5. So this becomes 7,860 and this becomes 5,240. Total profit is 13,100. That should be distributed among the Pramod and Pawan in the ratio, that is 3:2 ratio. So this is the method to solve the profit and loss appropriation account. So it is the easiest way to understand. First take the funds. First take the incomes on the credit side, that is from net profit and interest on drawings. First collect. Only 2 entries are coming on the debit side here. Only 2 entries. And debit side, spend that fund which is collected on the credit side. Now, for example, now in this problem 26,500 you collected from the partners. That 26,500 you should spend on the debit side through the interest on capital, salary to Pawan, and remaining surplus is transferred to partner's capital account, that is 13,100. These 2 items are, 2 transactions are here, interest on capital and salary. These are the expenses to the business partnership firm here. So this is the method to solve the profit and loss appropriation account here. So thank you.